Things are happening in this country. Watch this.
Ẹ̀yin Yorùbá Ọ̀ṣun, ẹ̀yin Yorùbá ilẹ̀ Yorùbá lápapọ̀, ẹ wo bí tán bayé wa jẹ́ dé, ẹ wo fídíò yìí.
Nígbà tó ṣe wípé ní wọ́n jẹ́ láti jọ wọ́n ti dé bí ayé lẹ́yìn pé ní mo pé nǹkan mo ti pé nǹkan wọ́n wà kárí rí. Ẹ̀dìbò fún mọ̀ ní orúdí ní òye bá mi jí o. Ajá wa kìfà yàtọ̀ òye tọ́lá àwọn ni wọ́n gbé fún yín o. Wọ́n ní ẹ̀dìbò fún mọ̀ ní orúdí ní o. Ọ̀pọ̀ ọmọ yín o. Wọ́n ní ẹ̀dìbò fún ìyá wa gbé kalẹ̀ ìlú náà fi tẹ̀lé kó o.
Download Find Am now so that you can upload your products and services so that people go they buy from you steady. Findamnow.com. Go there now, upload your products and services.
Just imagine. Hey! Papa! Yes. We don't have to vote. We think about the vote.
Okay, so at the end of the day, by law, this center has been cancelled. This polling unit results will not be accepted. And the job of these police officers that were sent, of course, by the ruling party, it was achieved. They left there. They will report that their lives were not safe. They were being attacked. And whatever it is, center cancelled. Whoever was supposed to win this particular polling unit, nothing has happened. In 2027, if this kind of event happen, all of you in that polling unit will flog you. Nobody, again I repeat, nobody should be allowed to disrupt the process. If you collect that ballot paper after they have disrupted it, you moved it, you scatter the ballot paper at the ballot box, and you collect it from there, it's already entered, cancelled. As long as they were chaos, they will say it was not orderly, the INEC official. You must mount your guard, and that's what we are talking about. In 2027, at least 10 able-bodied young men and women, because there are places where women are so strong, we stand their ground to say nobody crosses to the territory of the ballot. Because if they touch them, let me tell you how it works. Rigging election not be just to say they change vote. They say who won this one, the way Wike and Tinubu did the Rivers State. No, they can disrupt your stronghold. If they know, for example, let me give you an instance. Say there are 5 polling units, and then all of the...
Download Find Am now and upload your products and your services so that people can easily see them and buy from you. Also, anything that you're looking for, go to findamnow.com. You will see it there. Download the App Store, the app from App Store and Google Play Store.
Justice for Jude! 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 Yes! Yeah! Now bad people na be Nigerians na be hypocrites. Na hypocrites na be for this country. What did you do now when I want bring her down? What is the crime of this man where everybody gather together to join his brother to bring her down? Now Jude be problem of Nigeria. Jude, if nobody wants to support you, I'm the best person in Nigeria to be your supporter. I love you. Let me join her together, Stand against Nigerians. Yes, a bad person I be evil man. When you tell us I'm a bad person, I wicked past Jude though. I wicked past that Jude. I bad past Jude. Thank God say I not dey up. You see why I'm not green maker for life? I did that because if I go up now, if they say I do up, Nigeria position together, bring me down. Now I don't fall now. Thank God say I did down. Okay, I don't down. If you for best way don't dey down, I don't ready fall now. If you bring me down fast like this. If they say I did up before, Nigeria position together, bring me down. My advice to Rude Boy, if you know Rude Boy, tag out to this video. They say I know it's the last comment of a fool. If you say I know before, I for this to get advice. The worst mistake you make for this life, Rude Boy, now to come online, carry camera, go set rig light, go they explain yourself to Nigerians. Nigerians already decide do them one side. No matter what you talk for this life, they go turn out to men. They go just mock you online. Now their plan for you be that. No matter what you go, they don't want you on one side of the story. They don't already believe what they won't believe. And the mentality of Nigerians be that. We are Naira Marley, we don't bring her down. We are in the front, we don't bring her down. Now very dark man, I won't bring down. Ow! Thank God say I did down on Nigerians. Thank God say I not there up. You don't say I job, they forgot to bring me down. Let's bring him 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 down. That spirit of let's bring him down when I get for this country, so Holy God! Holy God! Holy God! Fire! Yes! Three ways. 3 ways to make a woman chase you. If women want, they run, they follow you. Number 1, you are very, very foolish and stupid. You are very foolish and stupid. Tell me about you say work on yourself.
Download Find Them now from Google and App Store and upload your products and services so that people will be buying from you sharp. People will see your services and anything that you want to buy around your area, go to findthemnow.com and search for it.
So Peter.
Hello. I can hear you.
So as of today, that matter,
Okay.
you know, concern me again. No? You understand? I don't watch now
sir.
for months, so now I know what they do. May anybody no use my name commit you again to pay anything. May they use all those content creators whether they do blackmail. May they come collect the money. You understand? But again,
Okay, sir.
I won't beg you one thing. You see that 19 years old girl. That girl, they say their money
Yes,
now.
check
How
that.
much you say be their money again?
It's 30 million. I've paid 10 million. It's like 20 million now.
When you go pay the money, just give me a date when you pay that girl and money. That's it.
My first payment will come end of October.
End of October.
Yes.
End of October.
Yeah, in 2 months from now.
I will call you end of October. I just checked the girl now. Thank God. They say she don't graduate. Hope say you call her.
Me and she know now her sister we dey talk because her elder sister now do the business. Now she and she dey talk. But me and tell guy when the guy come they drag me for social media, they postpone me, they insult me. We're not going to talk again that time.
Who be take her, the senior sister or the small one?
That girl, that student get me graduate. Now she go they postpone me for bloggers. Now they can't go Instagram about they drag me post my tree everywhere. Now,
why she don't go drag you when you do her school fees? You don't chop her school fees now. But that's by the way, like I tell you. And then you say this Sandy grad, you say no, she no invest with you.
Sandy grad not the investment with you. The investment is Prince's name. That paper I sent to you. Sandy grad does not have any investment. Even by right time, now Sandy grad will they owe me now self normally because the car when she they rent from my house, she never pay themselves. The show when we do, when she organize for Turkey, if the video I send give you, when show finish, I know Sandy grad give me $1 inside the show. Me and she will organize. How everything they go now? Me and she
but she can't go tell people right? You scam her $60,000. So no be she even get the money.
Not be she invest with our Prince, the man when she married. Now the boy, Prince never will drive me one day because I don't really pay Prince instrumental. I will send the 5 million when I send give Prince return for investment part of the money. Prince say, okay, no worry. So make her pay a small. Sandy not get any investment with me. She can't say she has investment with me. Me she'll get any investment, not even $1.
Anyways, me and no go call.
Upload your products and services on findthemnow.com so that people go they buy from you plenty.